Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Kitchen Diaries by Sana Saad. So I'm back again with another special superfood, plant-based superfood which is really high in calcium, iron and protein. So this is Halim Seeds, which is really good for diabetic people. It's a very affordable product. Halim seeds, which are also known as olive seeds, are high in protein, vitamin A, folate, vitamin C, calcium and iron. It's a superfood that not only boosts immunity but is highly beneficial for ladies and lactating mothers. It not only relieves constipation and indigestion but also helps in weight loss and stops hair fall. See, it is so beneficial. It has so many benefits. How you have to use this is very simple. Either you have 1 teaspoon of Halim seeds and drink water, or for more benefits you can soak them in water overnight and morning you can add in some more water and drink it. So I'll show you how it looks. So this is how our Halim seeds look like. It's a brown, dark brown, maroonish color, just very similar to chia seeds. What you have to do is soak them in half a cup of water, 1 teaspoonful, and you can let it soak overnight, and morning you can add in some more water. It becomes a gel type texture when you soak it overnight, so you can add in some more water and drink it. और हलीम सीड्स के बनते हैं लड्डू. इसकी रेसिपी मैं आप लोगों के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में शेयर करूंगी. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.